Just outside Amsterdam, there is a place where time slows down, a village of wooden houses, turning windmills, and quiet paths that feel like a story you can walk through. Zaanse Schans isn't just a museum, it's a living memory. Every corner whispers something old, something gentle. Hello, welcome to Friendly Travels, your cozy corner for relaxing adventures, gentle landscapes, and slow moments that feel like poetry. These windmills once powered an entire region, grinding spices, sawing wood, pressing oil. Today, they stand like gentle giants, still turning, still breathing, still reminding us of the rhythm of the old Dutch life. The clog factory feels like stepping into a story. The scent of fresh timber, the sound of carving, and the quiet pride of a craft that has shaped Dutch history. This is a place where tradition still echoes through wood and craftsmanship. Wooden clogs were once everyday shoes, sturdy, simple, made to last. Watching them come to life here feels like grounding. It's a reminder that beauty often begins with something humble, just wood, hands, and patience. Leaving the workshop, the village opens up again, windmills turning and the water shimmering. Welcome to the cheese farm. This is one of my favorite stops, and you'll see why. Bunch cheese has a way of making you feel at home, even when you are far, far from it.
Different people, different taste. So for me, not spicy, but some they say spicy because it contains a color.
It's the origin. Oh,
This is the original one, yes.
original cheese.
Very
Wow.
tasty. Where you from?
From the UK.
Welcome. Yeah, very lovely.
Wow, it's lovely. Yeah.
Only at the moment it's difficult to bring cheese back to the UK because of custom rules, just so you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The cheese making factory. So that's the cheese making machine. And we have a lot of cheese. And there is the chocolate shop. The smell of cocoa follows you through the village. Sweet, earthly, comforting. If you ever visit, treat yourself to a hot chocolate. It tastes like a warm hug. I love these quiet corners the most. No rush, just wind, water, and a moment to breathe. Thank you for wandering with me today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you ever need a place to slow down, Zaanse Schans will be waiting. From Holland, from Netherlands. See you on the next one.